Your credit score can decide whether you live in rich life in America or struggle for decades. Nobody explains this properly. In the next 15 minutes, I will explain credit score so clearly that you will never fear banks, loans, or credit card again. People think credit score is just a number, but in this USA, this one number decides your loan approval, your interest rate, your apartment, sometimes even your job. So if you are living in the US or Canada, this video can literally change your financial future. Let's start simple. A credit score is not about how much money you have. It's about one thing only, how trustworthy you are with borrowed money. Even millionaires can have bad credit score. In the USA, credit score ranges from 300 to 850. Above 750, banks love you. Below 600, banks fear you. And the scary part, most people don't even know why their score is low. Your credit score is calculated by companies, not the government. The main one in FICO. Almost every bank uses FICO, and FICO watches your behavior silently every month. Big myth is checking your credit score lowers it. Truth is, checking your own score does not hurt it. What hurts it is irresponsible behavior, and we will expose all of that. Your credit score is made from 5 ingredients. Mess up even one, and your score drops. Master all fives, and banks complete to give you money. The most important factor is payment history, 35%. One late payment can damage your score for years. Bank don't care about excuses. They only care about timing. Auto is not optional in America, it's survival. Even one missed payment can cost you tens of thousands of dollars in higher interest over your lifetime. That's how brutal the system is. Second biggest factor, credit utilization. If your credit limit in $10,000 and you use more than $3,000, your score drops. Use credit cards, but never look desperate for money. The magic number is below 30%, below 10% is even better. Rich people don't avoid credit cards, they use them strategically. Third factor is credit age. Older accounts is equal to trust. That's why closing your oldest credit card is a big mistake. Length of relationship matters more than income. Another myth is closing cards improves credit score. Truth is, it often destroys it. Fourth factor is credit mix. Credit cards, auto loans, student loans, a healthy mix shows maturity. But never take loans just to build credit. Fake activity is equal to red flag. Banks can smell desperation. Every time you apply for credit, banks check you. Too many applicants is equal to risky behavior. Slow and steady wins the credit score game. Bad credit doesn't punish today, but it punishes your future. Higher rent, higher insurance, higher interest. Here is how beginners build credit the right way. One started credit card, one small monthly expense, full payment every month. That's it, no tricks. Credit score is not about money, it's about discipline. America rewards predictable behavior. Rich people use credit cards for rewards, not survival. They never pay interest, they let banks pay them back. Maxing out cards, missing payments, applying anywhere, one mistake can erase months of progress. Credit score is simple when you understand the rules. Pay on time, use less credit, be patient. That's how the system works. If you want more videos, then explain money clearly, not like banks want, but like you need, subscribe to this channel. Next video, how to grow from 0 to 700 credit score step by step. Your future self will thank you.